This video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Slack cannot join channel. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection and try switching between your Wi-Fi and using your mobile data. You can also refresh Slack and try again, refresh the app or restart Slack. And if it's still not working, just restart your device. Always make sure that the channel name or invite link is correct and channel names are case sensitives. The other thing you want to do is accept the invite if pending. Check the channel or check for a channel invite in your DMs or email and join channel in the invite. You might also not have permission to join. Contact a workspace admin for access, or private channels can only be joined by invite. Ask the member or admin to add you. You can also go ahead and ask them if their workspace restrict who can join channels. Admins can set channel join restrictions. If nothing works, try updating your Slack to the latest version.